So this is my toolbox I had, and it had a busted lid and wasn't keeping water out anymore. So drilled a 1-inch hole in there and got a pipe in. I've got this pipe that goes in the bottom. That's perforated. It goes all the way across the bottom. Getting ready to put it together, put it in, and fill with rocks. Well, this is what it looks like. I'm getting ready to fill it up with rocks, and then we'll go from there. So I use broken plates, ceramics, whatever, rocks that I picked up out of the yard, and whatever else I can use. The joints in this is just tight fitted. It's not fitted, glued or anything. And I drilled holes in it where it could drain over here before it runs all the way back over here. Now, got the landscaping fabric in and down around the pipe. Cut around the pipe where it fit pretty tight and wouldn't leak. Now we're getting ready to mix some of our composite. So Miracle-Gro garden soil, cow manure, and vermiculite and perlite and a few other things. So, and I did sand the lid where it just sets on there real easy. That way you ain't trying to tear something apart to get it all. All right. So this is our wicking box for our potatoes. It's got a pipe that angles across here to this corner. That's got holes drilled on this end. And then what did I do with my cap? Anyway, oh, there's my cap. Put my cap on it. Anyway, I might have to go more sanded on that. Anyway, there's a drain at 4 inches that comes out this end. When you're filling it, you can see. And this is our composite leaf matter, some Miracle-Gro potting soil, some manure, a few other things that we added to it. But as the potatoes sprout, we'll keep adding more mulch, leaf matter, and our composite, which I just went and got a big load because we're getting ready to do another couple of these totes to put potatoes and peanuts in. So that's what we'll be working on. But these wicking beds are supposed to be the greatest thing in the world. I know my raised beds make a world of difference. I even found improvements on them when I put more in. And I get a chance, I'm going to put big round pipe that I have in the middle with a cap or a plate on it to make a place to throw all of our weeds where the worms will come to and eat them. So that's it for now until we get something else going. So this is what I did today. Well, for a couple hours anyway. I prepped these wicking beds, got all these wicking beds done. And it's got potatoes, peanuts, and more potatoes. And as they fill up and grow, I will keep adding mulch and more of our composite. Mostly leaf litter. I've got lots of leaf litter still, so I can mow and chop up like I did in this box. So hopefully, and these wicking beds are supposed to be awesome, so we're going to figure it out one way or the other. And we're supposed to get rain tomorrow evening sometime, so they ought to be in good shape.